Good morning everyone. Up to now I have just talked about two methods. That first method, as I told you, we have four methods in degree of comparison, right? So in first method I explained how to convert from PD to CD. It means positive to comparative. In a second method I discuss about comparative to PD. Now from today, video number 18, subject English, standard 10th for the English medium students, and I am going to explain today how to turn from SD to CD. As I told you in the question paper in exam, it will be given in bracket change the degree. What will be given? Change the degree. So that's why you will not focus that in which degree should I turn. I have given easiest technique that if question is of CD, turn into PD. Any positive degree is given, compulsory turn into CD. Now, as I told you, if SD is given, then in which degree you will turn if it is asked in the question paper of exam, right? So, now, if SD question, the question will arise, if SD is given, then will you go for CD or PD? I prefer you should go for CD. I will explain both, that how to convert from SD to CD and SD to PD. But I prefer you should go for CD because this is easiest than that. That means SD to PD, right? So this is the last video that today I am going to take for degree of comparison. So let us start with our rules, how to convert from SD to CD, right? So first of all, first rule is remove EST plus adjective or most plus adjective plus one of the. See the first rule. The first rule is remove EST plus adjective. I hope you remember that when I explain common information about all the degrees. First I explain about positive degree, second I explain about comparative, and third I explain about superlative. So in that degree I told you, if you want to make superlative degree, you need to use EST plus adjective. In comparative, ER plus adjective, here EST plus adjective, and most plus adjective if adjective is long. Like that in comparative, more plus adjective, right? And one of the. These three you can use either this or this one or one of the. So these three you can make SD, but these three we will delete when we convert from superlative to comparative. We will delete all three, whichever given, any one. See, any one will be given, we will delete any one, whichever given out of three. Second one, subject. As I told you, extend the subject in SD to in PD to CD, right? Either CD to PD. But here we will not change the subject. Here we will not change the subject at all. No need to change subject. It means whichever subject is given, that will be the subject of your answer. Means whichever subject is given in SD, that will be your subject in comparative. So no need to change, right? Then here you will not see positive, negative. Third one is, here you will not see the sentence is positive or negative. In a previous video, when we turn positive, comparative, vice versa, in that I talked about, right? That we will see sentence is positive or negative. Here no need to see at all that sentence is positive or negative. Okay, negative. Then fourth one is, you all know that in superlative degree, EST will be given, EST plus adjective or most plus adjective. See, we have two techniques here. If est plus adjective, if adjective is small, and most plus adjective if adjective is difficult or big. Keep in mind not only big. If sometimes small, but sometimes we cannot add, right? Est, it looks very odd when we speak. So we will add most plus adjective if difficult or complicated or long, right? So if this given in the question superlative degree, then when we turn into comparative, we will write est plus adjective or most plus adjective, then we will write then any other, then any other. See, and you know that er plus adjective and more plus adjective. See, when we turn from SD to CD, keep in mind we will write est plus adjective, then er plus adjective, most plus adjective, then we will write more plus adjective, and backside we will write then any other. Many other you will not write. If there is est plus adjective and most plus adjective, then we will write then any other. Many other you will not write. Er plus adjective, more plus adjective will be common in both. Now, fifth one last is if it is given one of the. If it is given one of the instead of est plus adjective or most plus adjective, these two are not given and one of these is given, then you will write then many other. See, then you will write then many other. Here you will not write any. Let me tell you one more time. When you convert from SD to CD, then you need to remove est plus adjective. You need to add er plus adjective or more plus adjective in both. Either est plus adjective given or most plus adjective given, or one of the is given. Only one difference is if these two given, then we will write then any other after writing er plus adjective and more plus adjective. Same time, if one of these is given, we will not write then any other. We will write then many other. Simply keep in mind. See how when I was a student, how I was doing, how I can identify. See, most or er plus adjective, then here many will not come. M will not come. Just joking, but you can do that method. So M will not come. If most or est, then there should be any, and one of the, then there should be many. So then any other, then many other, both are very important to write. If you mistake many here, any here, sentence meaning will be changed. Let me revise last time. Remove est plus adjective, remove most plus adjective, remove one of the. Instead of that, write er plus adjective. If adjective is small, write most plus adjective if adjective is difficult or long, plus if est plus adjective, then you write then any other, and if one of the, then you write then many other. Let's have a look with one example. See, the monkey is one of the most naughty animals. The monkey is one of the most naughty animals. Here I told you no need to change subject. Subject will be first only. So let's write turn by turn. The subject will be first. See, if SD is given in the exam, then it is easy to write in CD, right? Because no need to change subject, nothing to do, just write instead of this, nothing else, right? So the monkey, we have not changed subject. The monkey we have written. Now, Here also no need to see positive and negative. So we will write here the monkey is, as I told you, delete one of the. We have deleted one of the. Then after most plus adjective. So here we will write into comparative more plus adjective. More, naughty. See here if most plus adjective given, then you will write more plus adjective. Here est plus adjective given, for example biggest, then here you will write er plus adjective bigger, right? Simply biggest, bigger, shortest, shorter, tallest, taller. But if more plus adjective given, most plus adjective given, you will write more plus adjective, right? Then after the monkey is more naughty, then as I told you, one of the given, then you will write many other, right? Naughty, then many other animals. See, one more thing you need to keep in mind, when there is then many other or then any other, compulsory plural noun will be there. As compulsory plural noun will be there. Let me repeat. If one of the, you will use then many other. If here most plus adjective or er plus adjective, then you will use then any other, right? So this is the easiest way, easiest method out of 4 SD to CD, because no need to change subject and only then many other or then any other you need to add, nothing else, right? Let's have second example. Alright, let's see second example, that science is the most difficult subject for the students. In the first example I told you, if one of these is given, you need to write then many other. Er plus adjective and more plus adjective will be common in both, right? Here see I have taken most plus adjective. So here you will use then any other. You will not use then many other. Here you will use then any other, right? As I told you, subject will not be changed. So let us write science is. Here also no need to check positive or negative. So science is. Now the will be deleted because in superlative degree the plus most plus adjective or the plus est plus adjective compulsory. In comparative the is not compulsory. So we will write science is more difficult. Now one more thing. See, if here most given, you will write more plus adjective. If here est plus adjective given, here you will write er plus adjective. For example, tallest, taller, biggest, bigger, shorter, shortest, shorter. If er, est, if most, more, nothing else. And subject also will not be changed. So this is easy, SD to CD, then SD to PD, that you keep in mind, right? More difficult, then if most plus adjective or est plus adjective given, then you will write then any other. So here most, more difficult, then any other subjects, then any other subjects. As I told you, after then any other or after then many other, compulsory plural noun should be there, means as should be there, right? So then any other subject, as will come. Here not given, but here you will write as, because we need to write plural noun for the students. For the students. So I am going to give you only 2 examples, because today this is the last video I want to finish, right? So what we have learned, from SD to PD, SD to CD, SD to CD. These two examples I have given, superlative to comparative. This is easiest out of 4 methods, right? Because no need to change subject, no need to check negative or positive, only most then more, EST then ER, and adjective. Then if here EST or most plus adjective, then here then many other, and if here one of the, then here then many other, nothing else. And after then any other or after then many other, there should be plural noun. This is very easy than all 3 methods, right? So now let's take 4th number method last, that is how to convert from SD to PD. This was about how to convert from SD to CD, superlative to comparative, and now I am going to start the last 4th number method, that is how to convert from superlative to positive. Which 4 method? First method, positive to comparative. Second method, comparative to positive. Third method, SD to CD, it means superlative to comparative. And the 4th last method is how to convert from superlative to positive. This is also easy, not that much difficult, but if you use your mind, then definitely all 4 methods are easy. So what to think? Everything is easy, I can do it. Nothing is impossible for me, because impossible itself says I am possible, right? Alright, let's have a look first how to convert from SD to PD. How to convert from SD to PD. First rule is again remove EST plus adjective or most plus adjective. See, or one of the, any out of 3 given. EST plus adjective, for example tallest, most plus adjective, for example most beautiful, or one of the, he is one of the best boy from our class. So if this or that, any 3 given in superlative degree, we will delete, we will cancel it, right? Second, here subject will go last. Subject will go last. See, like comparative and positive, here also we need to exchange the subject, but the main subject that is given first, that will go last, and the last subject will go first. So in short, subject will go last. The meaning is we need to exchange the subject, but this first subject will go last when full stop will be. But here last subject will not be last, right? That's why I have not written exchange the subject. Here I have written main subject will go last, and we need to find out where is another noun in between the sentence or in the ending of the sentence. So in short, X subject will be exchanged. Then most important thing, if we are deleting this 3 out of 3 anyone, what to add, right? So if there is EST plus adjective or most plus adjective in the sentence, like a comparative, what we were doing here, most plus adjective, then we were writing then any other, and one of the given, then we were writing then many other. So here, if EST plus most plus adjective given, alright, so see, EST plus adjective, most plus adjective. That you have to check it out, and one of the that you have to check it out from ST to CD also and ST to PD also, right? That I have talked about. So here if this given, we will write no other plus so adjective is. See, if EST plus adjective or most plus adjective given in the sentence, you will write no other plus so adjective s, right? But if one of these given in the sentence, then you will write very few s adjective s. See, simple difference is EST plus adjective given or most plus adjective given, then you will write no other. Don't go for very few. Simply keep in mind. Check it out. If question is superlative degree, then EST plus adjective given or most plus adjective given, then use no other. Don't go for very few. This thing you need to cram anyhow, right? Then if one of the given in the sentence, then don't go for no other. You need to use very few as adjective s. Let's have two examples that in which you can use no other and in which you can use very few. Let's see. EST given then no other, one of the given then very few. See. Let's see example. Tagore was one of the most emotional poets of India. ST to CD I told you, no need to change subject, but in ST to PD we will change subject as I told you. So Tagore is a subject and poets. See, Tagore is a poet, so you need to come to know poets, that is second subject. And when is adjective? After definitely most plus adjective, right? After most definitely adjective. So what did I tell you? Exchange the subject and you need to use if one of the very few. Here what is given? One of the. If one of the given, we will use very few. If EST plus most plus adjective given, then we will use no other. That example I will give. Let's write this answer with very few. Write simply very few, very second subject, poets. Very few poets. See, one more thing keep in mind. After very few, plural noun, and after no other, singular noun. If I will take no other, then poet. S will not come. So very few plural noun, no other singular noun. So very few poets, we have external subject. This subject will go last. Very few poets. Now here word will come. Why? Here Tagore was only one, that's why was. But here very few poets, S will come because very few. So that's why there should be plural verb. Something that common in all rules of all English grammar topics you need to refer, right? So very few poets were as adjective s. After very few plural noun, then as adjective s. So very few poets were as adjective emotional, as adjective as, then second subject Tagore of India. This you can take with first subject or extra I am talking about, with first subject or last also you can take. So see, very few poets were as emotional as Tagore of India. Simply see, Tagore we have just seen will go last and whichever second subject will go first after very few, but very few plus plural noun, no other plus singular noun, right? So, and we need to write plural verb because that is also plural, right? Let's have second example. This I have taken off one of the, now we will take off most of, right? So let's see. We Narmada is the longest river of India. See, here I have used EST or most plus adjective. Simply keep in mind, I am not making you confused. Simple, it is very simple. One of the use very few, EST plus adjective or most plus adjective, use no other, right? Don't use here no other, don't use here very few. This should be very clear. If one of the very few, if EST plus adjective is largest or most plus adjective, then you need to use no other. And as I told you, after no other, there should be singular noun. Here very few plus plural, poets. So here let's action the subject. First is Narmada and second is river. See, second subject is river. You can come to know Tagore. Tagore. Very sorry. Tagore, you know, he was a poet. That's why both the subjects are similar or related to each other. Same way, here Narmada is river. So both words are interconnected with each other. So no other river. Second subject we have taken. No other plus singular. No other river of India. Here I have taken last. You can also take front, you can also take last, right? So no other river of India. I told you no other, so adjective as, and very few as adjective as. So no other river of India is as, adjective as. Where is adjective? Longest. So here we need to write as mean adjective plus as. As long as the Narmada. As long as the Narmada. See, here I have used very few, here I use no other, because one of the we will use very few plus plural noun. If EST plus adjective or most plus adjective, we will use no other plus singular. Subject will be interchanged. You need to find out where are subject first and in the middle. First in the middle, both subjects will be interconnected, and with very few you need to write as adjective as, and with no other you need to write, by mistake here, there should be so. Sorry. There should be so adjective as, right? Here as adjective as with very few. Here with no other you should write so adjective as, and then exchange the subject, nothing else. So this is very easy. Today I have completed all 4 methods. Means today, not up to now, whatever I completed. So today this is the last day or last video for this topic, degree of comparison. See, this is very interesting topic. I hope you have understood. I will give you some examples in the worksheet. So definitely I am sure you will be able to solve that, I believe, and you will write examples properly in your regular grammar notebook. Thank you.